Alright guys, here's a DIY oatmeal mask that you can use on all skin types. What you need is a half a cup of oatmeal ground into a coffee grinder. Save the rest for later that you don't use. Add 2 tablespoons to a ramekin, a fourth a teaspoon of honey. Boil some water, add a tea bag if you want, and then pour the boiling water into the ramekin, 2.5 tablespoons until it mixes into a thick paste. Let it sit for 3 minutes, then add filtered water, 2.5 to 3 tablespoons of water until it liquefies into a paste that you can apply to your skin. It'll feel really nice because it's cool, and then you can apply it to your skin, brushing it all over, making sure that you also lightly massage it in so that it exfoliates your skin a little bit, and then just rinse and apply your normal routine. This is wonderful for all skin types, for anybody dealing with irritation, sensitivity, dryness, retin-a irritation, chemical peel irritation, or anytime you just want to soothe, hydrate, and make your skin flawless. Enjoy. I hope you liked the video.